So I'm Duncan Andrews. I'm the CRM and Digital Manager at Wembley Stadium, and I studied business management at Teesside University. So I've always had an interest in businesses, like how they worked and what effort and the organisation that went in behind a business, especially like the marketing elements. What made people decide to use that business, that product, that service. And I remember doing it at GCSE and A-level, and when I saw the opportunity to study at university, I just thought this is the course for me. During my time at Teesside University, it allowed me to become like an independent thinker through going out and using the resources that were available, not just the academic resources, but also the elements that you get by going into like sporting social. I played tennis at Teesside University. I was the chairman of the tennis society there. And it was great to learn how to become, how to organize. And that really helps in your daily life and also in the working world. So my role as the CRM and Digital Marketing Manager at Wembley Stadium is incredibly varied. The idea is to try and get people to understand about what we do at the stadium and get people in. That could be anything from, we're building campaigns to try and build awareness on that for the upcoming football season. And then also looking at selling hospitality packages for the concerts that we have during the summer period at Wembley Stadium. So my role and how it's evolving is bringing more digital technology towards the stadium. So it's evolving. I'm talking to different products and partners and looking, is this the right products that we can bring in towards the stadium to update and improve the services that we give to the visitors that's in the stadium. Absolutely, I'd recommend Teesside University to anyone that's looking to sort of get into my career or any sort of marketing job that's available.